How to fix cloud gaming is not available in your region. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So whenever some issues like this that it is not available in your region is coming up in your device, what you need to do is you can just go to your settings of your device and then scroll down to additional settings and tap on region, and you can change your region over here. Next, what you can do is go to the App Store or Play Store on your device, and then on the search bar just search for any VPN and download the VPN that is more convenient for you, and toggle on the VPN settings by going on the settings of your device. And as you toggle on the VPN, you can select wherever you want to be in the region and wherever this particular cloud gaming is available. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.